Picture this. You wake up one morning, look out of your window and see nothing but concrete, no trees, no greenery, just building highways and more buildings. You take a deep breath, but something feels off. The air is heavier. The world feels different. You wonder what happened to all the forest. Well, the shocking truth is that every year forests like these are disappearing, and it's happening at an alarming rate. But why? Why are we clearing forests? The very things that help us breathe, cool our planet, and keep our ecosystem alive. Stick around because the answer must shock you. Let's start with the first reason, and it's one we have all heard before: agriculture. But here's the catch: it's not just about the feeding people anymore. As the population keeps growing, the demand for food is skyrocketed. But here's the twist: it is not just food we are after, it's a profit. Big corporations need land to grow cash crops like palm oil, soy, and sugarcane. And guess where they are getting that land? You guessed it, our forests. Places that should be lush and thriving with wildlife are being cleared to make space for crops that aren't even feeding local populations. Why? Because it's all about money, and there's the scary part. The very thing that should be nurturing life is now being torn apart for profit. But wait. It doesn't end here. Next up, urbanization. Sound innocent enough, right? Cities are growing, people need homes and jobs. But at what cost? Let me take you a place, Kochi, Bauli, Telangana. A few years ago, it was a beautiful green zone, full of trees and wildlife. But now, it's a sprawling IT hub, packed with glass building and busy highways. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? This is happening all over the world. Forests that once gave us life are being swallowed by the ever-growing demand for urban space. And here's the kicker: we are trading fresh air and green spaces for concrete jungles, where the air is polluted. The temperature soars and nature fades into the background. But that's not all. Let's talk about infrastructure, roads, railways, and highways. They seem necessary, right? But do we ever stop and think about where they are going? Forests are often the easy target when it comes to building these projects. Why? Because there are no people living there, right? Just trees. But here's the problem: those trees, they are vital. They are not just a backup drop. They are the lungs of our planet, cleaning the air, cooling the earth, and supporting the biodiversity. So when we clear them for roads and highways, it's like ripping the every breath from our planet. Is that really the trade-off we want to make for convenience? And let's not forget about the industrial giants. Coal, oil, gas, these industries are hungry and they want more land. That land, you guessed it, our forests. From mining operations to oil extractions, forests are being decimated for resources that, honestly, we don't even need in long run. Because once these resources are gone, what are we left with? A barren wasteland? That what? So why are we letting this happen? For what? Short-term gain that costs us everything in the long run? The more we dig, the more we destroy. And what's the end game? Because, let's face it, we are already digging ourselves into a hole. Now, let's take a step back and really ask the hard question: is it all worth it? Because the problem isn't just clearing forests. Is what happens after. The aftermath is what we should be really worried about. When forests are cleared, we are not just losing trees, we are losing entire ecosystem. And guess what? No one's really thinking about what happens next. There's a no plan for deforestation. There's a no compensation for the wildlife that gets displaced. And the result: pollution spikes, ecosystem collapse, and we are left with a broken planet. But here's the crazy part: this doesn't have to be the story. It's not too late to change the narrative. What if instead of clearing forest without a second thought, we built smarter? What if every tree we lost we replaced with two more? Here's where the hope comes in. We don't have to choose between development and nature. It's not an one or the other situation. Sustainable development is the answer. Cities can be green, industries can be sustainable, and infrastructures can be built without tearing down the earth. There are already places in the world that are doing this. Why can't the rest of the world follow? It's not about turning back time, it's about moving forward with nature, not against it. And the best part, we still have time to make it right. So the next time you hear someone say we need to clear this forest for development, ask them this: what's the plan for the future? What's the plan to replace what we lose? Because forests are more than just trees. They are life. They are the future. And if we keep clearing them, we are not just cutting down trees. We are cutting down our very survival. If you believe we can make a difference, hit that like button, share this message and subscribe. We are not powerless. Together we can create a future where progress and nature go hand in hand. Thank you so much for listening.